just a resolution they came up with on their own without taking anything into consideration.
A legal conflict involving animal abuse in Douglas County has come to an end for now, but neither side is happy with the result. Good evening, I'm Brendan Morano.
And I'm Karina Rubio. Last week, we told you how the Douglas County Animal Shelter seized 11 dogs in August. The owner was accused of cruel treatment, and now a judge's ruling allowed the owner to take some of those dogs back. WCIA3's Jack Crum is in studio. So, Jack, how did that happen?
Karina, the Douglas County Court dismissed the case without prejudice today. This is a temporary court ruling which resulted in the owner taking back 4 of the seized dogs from the shelter. Now, the animal shelter is sharing their concerns for the dogs while the owner gives his side of the incident.
I'm overwhelmed right now, just with what to do. I'm at a loss.
The Douglas County Animal Shelter is frustrated with what they say has been a bad resolution to a 2-month animal cruelty investigation. Spencer Hall is an administrator with the shelter.
They didn't take in the video evidence. They didn't take in the living situations that these dogs came into or came from. Nothing got taken into consideration.
The shelter says the case began in late August when 11 dogs were seized from Luther Clark's property in Murdoch. Neighbors say the dogs were beaten, with some capturing it on camera. On Thursday, a temporary ruling gave Clark 4 of his original 11 dogs back from the shelter.
It's not safe for anybody to live there or any animal to live there.
Hall says the dogs are not cared for, citing many at the shelter had worms, parasites, and fleas. She also says that Clark's house is not a safe environment.
When we went to go get the dogs were literally climbing over and under all of these junks of trash and metal. And at one point, one of the dogs actually got stuck in a pipe underneath all of this junk. And we literally had to crawl into this heap of trash just to get one out.
Luther Clark is the dog's owner. He says the video attached to the cruelty isn't what it seems.
They started a fight, and I had to get them apart. And I don't let my dogs fight. Yes, I hit my dogs with a board. I shouldn't have done it with a board, but I had to get them apart and keep the others away so they wouldn't get back into it.
Clark also says some of the medical issues the dogs have is due to an unexpected lapse in veterinarian care.
My old vet quit, and I would be taken care of, but this happened in between, and so on and so forth.
However, the animal shelter and Hall aren't so convinced a second chance at dog ownership will yield positive results.
I don't think they deserve to go back. I'm worried for their safety. I'm worried that they're not going to be there whenever I go to check on them. I don't know what's going to happen next.
Reach out to the Douglas County State's attorney. He did not comment at this time. However, Hall told me that she's looking into the possibility of appealing the case to try and find a better resolution. Karina?
All right, Jack, thank you. The shelter says the remaining 7 dogs will be eligible for adoption once some medical issues are cured. Since the case was dismissed without prejudice, a plaintiff or a prosecutor can refile this case in the future.